Hey, this is Tom with The Verge, and we're looking at Microsoft's new Surface 3 tablet. That's a Surface 3, not the Surface Pro 3. This is a 10.8 inch tablet, so it's gone up a little bit in size from the previous version, and it's 3:2 aspect ratio, so Microsoft's kind of turned this more into a tablet than the Surface 2 was. Big changes, you've got a new hinge design on the back, which pops 3 ways, so 1, 2, and then 3. So it's kind of not exactly the same as the Surface Pro 3, but gives you a little bit of flexibility. Under the hood is the biggest change. This isn't Windows RT anymore, so there's no ARM processor in here. You've got an Atom processor, which does mean that you can run your traditional desktop apps. So you can have iTunes on here, you can have all the full Office applications, Steam, whatever you want. A true Windows rather than the Windows RT, which didn't have all that support. So it's running on an Atom processor, it's a quad-core processor, and you've got a 10.8 inch display, which is 1920 by 1280. So while there's an Atom processor in here, the performance seems okay, but we'll have to review it fully to see how that goes. It's pretty much very similar to the Surface 2. I mean, it's pretty much the same sort of thickness. They have changed up a few things on the side here. You've got a micro USB port now. That's the power port, so no more playing around with the magnetic connector or anything like that. You can use your phone charger or the supplied charger, etc. You still got the full-size USB and the display port, so you can still connect up a monitor, still connect up flash drives or accessories. And on the other side of the device, it's pretty clean. There's nothing there apart from the kickstand. Microsoft's moved up the volume buttons to the top here, but overall still kind of looking the same as the Surface 2. The rear's got a new logo, so it's the Microsoft logo rather than Surface. Compared to the Surface Pro 3, it's obviously a lot smaller. In dimensions, it's a little bit thinner, I guess, or perhaps kind of the same. But obviously they look very similar because they're both the silver and black combination here. But you can see that the screens are obviously very different because you've got the 12 versus the 10. This is the new Surface type cover, pretty similar to the old one, clicks in, but you've got the new magnets that stick it together like that. So it gives it a little bit more stability when you combine it with the kickstand. So it's not sort of jostling around on your lap or anything. New colour options, this is the orange one, there's going to be red, blue, and also I think a cyan version as well. And at the same time, they've also added a pen for the Surface 3. Now this doesn't come with the Surface 3, so it's a separate accessory. You can draw on just as you would on the Surface Pro 3, and you can get matching colours depending on what type cover you go for. So overall, you're getting a Surface 3, which is obviously cheaper than the Surface Pro 3. So this one's coming in at $499 without the cover and without the pen. Sort of impressions, it's a lot lighter than the Surface Pro 3 and the Surface 2 before it. So you're getting a cheaper, lighter machine that's going to run all of your apps instead of the Windows RT. So that comes in at $499 with the keyboard and the pen sold separately.